We got some geesies in our neighborhood. All I want to see is animals. I just want to see animals every day when I wake up. Look how he watching us. He watching us, making sure we not causing no harm to any of his family members. I want to see some more come in. Where'd they come from? They was just coming out the sky. They just flew down from right there. They don't make any noise, so how do they call each other? To let each other know that they're all right here. What are they eating? Worms, you think? Does it look like worms they're digging up? Yeah, it look like worms. They're not eating that.